Hi there, Tamas here from Automator. By today I would like to show you how we can copy the orientation of the robot tool to the orientation of our manual tool. So what's about? Normally, if I spray with this orientation with the spray gun, I would expect that the robotic tool has exactly the same orientation, okay? So, but what if I just make it in a different manner? What if this spray gun cannot be adjusted, and therefore we have to spray so. So just to see you, I just changed the orientation of the spray gun here with 45 degrees. That means I would like to have that this level gets into this level. Okay, so that they are exactly on one line. But right now, as you can see, the head of the robot is tilted approximately 45 degrees. So I'll just show you here. You could reach exactly the same position what I could manage with the spray gun. If I turn it to this one, this position, there you can see that I would have the one is so, the other one is so. So in this case, for sure, I could change this part on the gun. But there are a lot of configurations where you cannot just really do this, especially at the cutting application where the blade must have a special orientation. And I just would like to show you how we can do this easily. So the TCP is the same, and I am just coming into the home position, into the origin position with the robot. And don't worry, I will show you how I do this. So not exactly the way I want to see this. Okay, approximately this will fit. I show you with the other camera the setup what I managed to make. So how it looks like. I just came to the zero position, to the origin position, and you can see that I tried to get the orientation in the X and in the Y direction. And to reach this, the robot must have such a very strange position. Okay, so you can see that this is the way, and you can see here as well that this is not even perfect because the one part is lower as the other one. But nevertheless, I just want to show you how we can copy this kind of particular orientation to the robot right now. I just fixed the camera and I just come to the screen. I just open up my robotic key file. And this is the tool which I will modify. Okay, so I'm just getting connect robot. On the robot, I have to activate the remote mode that I can read out the exact position. So connect and get position. You can see on my screen, I have exactly the same orientation, the same position of the robot as I have it on my desk. And I'm just coming into the after work tools folder from Automator. or raw path track, depending on the version what you are using. And I'm just looking for the copy tool orientation from robot to the manual device. That means once I will let it run, exactly this kind of orientation we will copy to this TCP. The TCP itself, the X, Y, and Z coordinates, they still the same, but the orientation, this orientation will be applied to this particular point. So I just let it run. The process completed successfully. And I will just do a recording that we can see how it looks like. First, I just move around with the robot from here, and I'm just driving with the robot to my predefined home position, which is defined to this desk. That I can do the recording without any disturbing factors. So I attach my spray gun, my teach pen to the spray gun. Okay. Hopefully we just check this out. The VR is running. Yes, that's true. And we can start. We can start the recording. And as usual, origin X, Y. The robot is already moving around. As you can see, the head of the robot is a quite strange part. A little bit, my origin position was moved around, and you can see even on the screen right now. So I will just start with the recording. Okay, and you could even see that the robot changed the orientation of the head. Okay, seems good. Seems to be good. I just generate the robot program. Okay, and I just transferred the robot program after refreshing my FileZilla. So it's just copied over, and I just read in the script. So open. And let's see the results. So the home position is still on a manner that you can see later on. I will do a different recording here that you can see it from different perspective. But right now the nozzle is staying with this 25 or 45 degrees tiltage. And you can see that with this orientation, what we copied right now, okay, just reduce the speed that you can see well all the time. So here you can still see that the orientation changed right now, exactly to the orientation what we copied from there. And here you can see that with this orientation, this outline will be driven through. Okay. And now this will come back to the home position, and there you will see that the nozzle will be get rotated 45 degrees back to the originally defined home position. Okay, so it doesn't matter on which particular way your tool is oriented um, on the robot. If you have a very special holder or something, you can use this function. So just look at this look at this fixture on the robot. So this is highly unprofessional, and I was just using this kind of unprofessional way to fix this tool on the robot. That you can really see that even with this kind of method, we can get very satisfying results. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, I wish you that you can make a lot of good recordings with the Easy Automator app. And if you have any questions, reach us and we try to answer you. Thank you. Bye.